Opening a bank account online is easy until one tiny detail gets you declined. Most online applications take minutes, but approvals are picky, so plan to finish fast and review later. The biggest failures are simple. Blurry ID uploads usually pass if you retake them, but an address mismatch often won't. Fix your address with the DMV or USPS first. A single wrong SSN digit can trigger an instant decline. Some banks also check systems, and a flag isn't forever. If you're declined online, a second chance account can still get you in. Online account opening is mostly a paperwork test, so gather what the system will ask for before you start. You'll need an unexpired photo ID plus a social security number, or an ITIN, which is a tax ID for non-citizens. Many banks also ask for proof of address, like a utility bill or lease. Make sure you can access your phone and email for codes. Some accounts let you open with $0, others need $25. Expect possible check system screening. The smoothest online opening comes from making a few key choices while you're in the application. Start by picking the right account type, checking for spending, savings for storing cash. Enter your legal name and details exactly as they appear on your ID, not a nickname. You'll usually verify with a one-time code sent to your phone or email. Then choose overdraft settings because overdraft is a negative balance that can trigger fees. Read the fee schedule and set strong login security immediately. After approval, your first week is about funding and access, and both have normal limits. You'll fund the account by picking a rail, like ACH transfer, debit card, or mobile check deposit. Instant funding can work, but limits often cap it, like a few hundred to a couple $1,000s. New accounts also get deposit holds, meaning some money won't be spendable for a few days. Your debit card typically arrives in 5 to 10 business days. Turn on payments and alerts on day 1 for faster fraud detection under Regulation E. Most problems people blame on the bank are actually preventable setup mistakes. If the name on your application doesn't match your ID, automated systems can flag you instantly. A temporary or VoIP phone number often fails verification. Your overdraft choice matters because fees can be around $30 to $35 per item at many banks. Fee waivers usually have conditions like direct deposit or a minimum balance, and missing them triggers penalties. To stay safe the first week, test small transfers before moving big money. One mistyped SSN digit or a name mismatch can cause an instant online decline. If you want help picking an account that fits how you actually bank, BankingHub matches you and shows the real dollar impact for your balance. Free, takes about 2 minutes, and the link is in the description.